Hey guys! Really? Dunkin's that good?
Yeah.
I don't know why you like Dunkin' Donuts so much. Anyway, Breland and I decided to do a video outside.
We should do it often. Videos outside. It's actually peaceful and
We can, when it gets cooler, we can do fall videos.
Yep.
But anyway, we got Georgia. And Georgia wanted to show y'all she got her necklaces.
She has all kind of jewelry. I was saying that she went underwater as Mermaid Georgia and found all kinds of treasure like Ariel.
Yeah. But, yeah, today for the reborn group that I am in, today's theme is animal print. She's like, get it off! She said, I don't like it. It's tucked in her pants. Georgia!
I don't see her being in tutus much.
She don't like tutus.
And she has a little mermaid necklace on.
See her, guys? She's so cute.
We need to find her like a cheap jewelry box. To put her jewelry
That
in.
is my next thing. Yeah. This isn't going to match.
And I had cupcakes for my birthday, and she has, and they were beach themed, so she has a little sand bucket ring.
But yeah, we just figured a video outside would be nice. Georgia, take this off for a minute.
With Dunkin' Donuts.
The bad part is, look at mine versus yours.
I have Rocky Road, and you have caramel.
That Rocky Road's too strong for me. Mm-hmm.
Not that's your cream and sugar.
It may not be for you, but it is for me. Oh, Georgia?
Wait a minute.
Oh. People flying down the road.
Bad people.
She's gonna wear her giraffe print romper,
Dress romper.
whatever you call it. There we go. It almost takes two people to dress this big thing. Not calling you a thing, Georgia. Alright, snap the back.
It does take two people to dress her.
In the meantime, we got a surprise coming, but it won't be here until next month.
For me. Look at Georgia.
I mean, it seriously takes two people to dress this big baby.
And the surprise is coming from China. So, of course, it's going to take a long time to get here.
Alright. She snapped up. Now,
Hairbell time.
set her right there so they can see her. Georgie, you gotta look.
One day we'll have to do her jewelry collection.
One day I will have her hair back. She did have brown hair, but the brown hair I
It
wasn't feeling
didn't
it.
look right on her.
But she needs blonde. Did her passy matches.
Is that the only way Passy's will fit in her mouth?
Mm-hmm. There she is, guys. Animal Print Sunday. Say bye. Can I tell them bye? She wants her jewelry back. That's what she's after. You see them? Bye, guys.